Backup procedure for the Fagor 8055i control on an ACER CNC machine. Step 1. Press the Shift and Escape button from the conversational screen to get to the G-code screen. Step 2. Insert the memory stick into the memory stick slot. Step 3. Press the F7 key, the key underneath the plus sign. Step 4. Press the F1 key, or the key underneath the status sign. Step 5. Press the F1 key, or the key underneath the CNC sign. Step 6. Press the F1 key, the key underneath the backup sign. Press the F4 key, or the key underneath the modify sign. Cursor down and create a new directory. Press Enter. Type in the directory name. In this case, we will be using the name BED 1050 N120 30115. Press Enter. Cursor down to the folder that you've created. Press the right arrow key. Make sure all the boxes are checked. To check or uncheck boxes, press the right arrow key or the toggle key and press Enter. Press F6 to start the backup.